Welcome to another video. Hope everyone's doing alright and that. This week I thought I'd give these another run out. The old Crimpits and that. I had mixed results the last time I used them. I've got a feeling a lot of it was my fault, so I thought I'd give them another bash. I've got some wraps. We're going to make a calzone type wrap. Fantastic. Got loads of meat in it, loads of cheese in it. Absolutely lush. And for a little twist and a little bit of fun, we're going to see which one cooks them better. I'm going to cook one in the air fryer and I'm going to cook one in the oven. See which one comes out best. So grab yourself a cuppa, put your feet up and let's get cracking. Fantastic. Right, here we go, Crimpit time again. Fantastic, it's the second time I've used these. So, yeah, we'll see what happens, But I've got a calzone type, pizza-y type topping and that, fantastic. We'll stick them to one side, we'll have a little run through what I've got, then we'll get stuck into it. But for this, I've made up some savoury mince. All I've done was fry this off with some mushrooms and onions and that. I'll put a little clip on now to show you. Fantastic. I'll have a quick run through with this mince. Super simple and it's quite handy if you want to store it and that because it freezes up fantastic. What you want to do is warm a pan up, give it a couple of sprays of firelight. This one's nearly empty so it's not working very well. There we go. And I'm just going to fry some onions. These are frozen onions. Some chopped garlic. Let's give it a shake about. A couple of 100 grams of mince. Probably made too much, that's fine. But I will be storing it and freezing it up. Some frozen mushrooms. These will let a bit of water off, but that's fine. Some pepper, bit of salt, and a small handful of these Italian herbs. Fantastic, these like. Basically, all I'm going to do is just cook it out for a few minutes. Got a spatula here. Turn all the mince brown, drain it off, and set it to one side. So we'll come back in a couple of minutes. This has had a couple of minutes over a nice hot heat. And I'm just going to take the lid off and I'm just going to give it about a minute with the lid off and that. Just to get rid of the rest of this moisture and that. Sometimes you might have to drain it because of the mushrooms, but I'm doing alright on this one. I'm just going to put it into a Tupperware box, set it to one side, let it cool down. It's so versatile that you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. Mint. I've got some diced chorizo ham, some normal ham, some passata. This was with basil and garlic. Nice, nice. And a 4 cheese mix. I think that was mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey Jack and double Gloucester. Fantastic. And I've got some wraps. I've plugged the air fryer in. I've got the oven heating up to 200 degrees. Fantastic. Let's start building some Crimpits and see if I can redeem myself from the last one. Right, I've got myself all set up now and that. The first thing I learned from the last one is I've got some wraps that actually fit the Crimpit. The last one I got them from Asda and they didn't fit. But yeah, fantastic. So we're going to go in with a wrap. Tell us in the comments what you do in your Crimpits and that. I know there's a few of you using them because I've had some good little tips in the comments. Fantastic. We're going with that, bit like Manara sauce or whatever you call it. Some of this savoury mince. Love this stuff, me, like, love it. I've gone a bit over the top with my ingredients, but that's fine. I can use them up during the week and that. Gonna go in with some normal ham. Just a couple of bits. I love this type of stuff. Proper meat feast pizza. Favourite pizza of all time. And some chorizo ham. Then I'm going to top it off with a good handful of cheese, so the cheese melts all in it and that. Fantastic. That'll do. And now I've got to put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. So here we go. 20 seconds. Here we go. Right, that's had its 20 seconds. I'm just going to do what I didn't do the last time and just wash the edge with water. And the seal the last time was terrible and I think that was my fault, like, so plenty of water on it. I think I'll go right round it this time. And then we're going to give it a crimp. Fantastic, make sure it's straight. Nice big crimp. And it says hold it for a few seconds. Let it do its magic. I'm going to pop it up, see what we've got. Look at that. I tell you what, that's better than the last time, isn't it? Much better. It's got a seal on it. Right, I'm going to put that one on the oven tray. I'm going to do it again and get one ready for the air fryer. Right, that's the second one done, and I tell you what, this one's crimped up well as well, you know. I'm going to whack this one in the air fryer. It just fits. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Just fits. Perfect, perfect. But I'm going to whack this one in the air fryer for 8 minutes, 200 degrees. This one in the oven, 8 minutes, 200 degrees. We'll come back and we'll see which one's the best. Fantastic. Have I redeemed myself with the Crimpit? I think it's doing alright up to now. It's doing alright up to now. Fantastic. See you in 8 minutes. Right, it's been 8 minutes. We'll start with the oven one first. We'll bring it in and we'll cut it open. Look at that. It's sealed perfect, you know. Absolutely perfect. Fantastic. I'll bring a little plate in. What do you reckon of my new fancy plates, eh? Little square ones and that. Fantastic. 50p each from a charity shop. Mint. Right, we'll have a little crunch to it. Listen to the crunch on that. That sounds mint, that, right? Sounds lush. And there you have it. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, man. Perfect. Fantastic. Right, that's the oven one. We'll just move them out of the way and we'll bring in the air fryer one and see if they're any different. But the oven one up to now, fantastic. We'll have a little taste of them at the end. Here we go. Hey, look at that. Don't know if you can see that, but the colour is a lot better. A lot better. Right, let's get it out of here. Again, absolutely perfectly sealed. Definitely was my fault the last time, Mike. I'll take that one on the chin. We'll bring another little fancy plate in. Cut this one open. Listen to the crunch on that one. Fantastic. We'll have a little look at the filling. Lush, lush. Look at all that meaty goodness. Meat and cheese. Two of the best things in the world. Fantastic. Right, we'll get rid of that. We'll bring both plates in. Right, we're both of them side by side. Tell us in the comments which ones you think's are the best. I think these ones have got the best colour on them, like the air fryer ones. But the filling's obviously going to be the same. Fantastic. But right, let's get tucked in. Let's see which one tastes the best, because that's what it's all about, isn't it? We'll start with the oven one. Yep, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Loads of meat, loads of cheese. The wrap is lovely and crispy. Right, let's have a go at this one. Tell you what, it's a close run thing, but my winner is this one, the air fryer one. So there you have it. 2 new gadgets in my life. Putting the old ones to shame. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, hit like and subscribe and that. Do all the YouTubey stuff for us. I'm on my other channel next week. Go over there if you want to see us do something different. There's a link in the description. Joe does this and that. And yeah, have a great week. Get yourself a Crimpit, man. Get yourself a Crimpit. Fantastic. See you later.